Is Windows failing to load because of the WLAN Service DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin our WLAN service troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the WLAN service. It manages the discovery, connection, and security profiles for Wi-Fi networks. It handles the WlanOpenHandle and WlanScan APIs. If this file is missing or the associated service is disabled, the Wi-Fi option will completely vanish from the Windows taskbar, and users will be unable to see or connect to any wireless access points. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running SFC/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as WLAN Service DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including WLAN Service, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of WLAN Service DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing WLAN service and system behavior. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing WLAN service from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.